Good morning, children. Today we will start our first chapter, The Thief's Story from Resolution. And the present story is written by Ruskin Bond, who is an Indian author of British descent. He contributed a lot in the field of literature and especially for the growth of the children's literature, and for that he received so many awards like Sahitya Academy Award in 1992, Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. About this story. The story has a simple plot with an important message. The construction of the story is very simple, but it conveys an important message. A young boy named Hari Singh came to live with Anil in the hope of making a theft. There was a boy named Hari Singh, and he came to live with Anil with the hope of making theft, because Anil was a good fellow. Anil wants to teach Hari Singh how to read and write. He was a kind man, and he wants to teach Hari Singh how to write and read. Gradually, Anil develops trust in Hari Singh. Later on, धीरे धीरे अनिल का जो फेथ था वो हरि सिंह के अंदर बढ़ता गया, ट्रस्ट. After stealing money from Anil, Hari Singh tries to go away forever, but some inner voice stops him from doing so. After stealing money from Anil, Hari Singh wanted to leave the place, but he did not do that because some inner voice stops him for doing so. कि उसकी जो कंसाइंस थी, उसकी जो सोल थी, आत्मा थी, उसने उसे ऐसा करने से रोक दिया. Thus, Hari Singh, who was diverted from the right path, realized. Thus, Anil, who was diverted, here Anil is written, but it should be Hari Singh. In this way, Hari Singh, who was diverted from the right path, realized his mistake. कि जो हरि सिंह था, जो कि मिसगाइड हो गया था, he was diverted from the right path, realized his mistake. उसे अपनी गलती का realization हुआ. Yes, here we start. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though I was only 15. Here I stand for Hari Singh. Hari Singh wrote that he was still a thief when he first met with Anil, and that time his age was only 15. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. I had a lot of experience, and I am very efficient in my work in theft. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. Anil was busy in watching a wrestling match when I approached him. When I went near to him, he was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and Anil was about 25 years old young man. He was tall, a lean fallow, thin man, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. And he looked easygoing, he was kind-hearted, he was very simple man, which was quite enough for my purpose. I was sure I would be able to win the young man's confidence, and I was sure that I would be able to win his heart, to win his favor, to win his confidence. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. You look like a wrestler. A little flattery helps in making friends. I knew very well that flattery helps to make the friend early. So do you, he replied. And he answered me, so do you. You also look like a wrestler, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. And when he replied that I also looked like a wrestler, it put me off for a moment. मैं बहुत hesitant हो गया. Why? Because that time I was rather thin. मैं बहुत पतला दुबला था. That's why. Well, well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. Well, okay, I said modestly, hesitant, in a very hesitant manner. Yes, yes, yeah, I do wrestle a bit. Sometimes I do wrestle. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. I replied, Hari Singh. And I lied. मैंने झूठ बोल दिया. I took a new name every month. I used to take a new name, a new identity every month. Thus, that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. So that I kept the police ahead and my former employers. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well oiled wrestlers. Anil started talking about the wrestlers who applied lot of oil on their bodies and those who were grunting, who were shouting, who were whispering, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away and then Anil walked away. Anil slipped away from there. I followed casually. I also started to follow him. Hello again, he said. He again addressed, hello. I gave him my most appealing smile, and in reply, I gave him my appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. But Anil replied, you wanted to work for me, but I can't pay for that. Thought that for a minute, perhaps I had misjudged my man. He thought that over in a minute, for a minute, I thought for a minute, and that time an idea came to me कि perhaps maybe I had misjudged my man. कि मेरा जो उस आदमी के अनिल के लिए जो मेरा जजमेंट था, मेरा इवेल्यूशन था, maybe it was wrong. I asked, can you feed me? Can you cook? He again questioned. I can cook. I lied again. And I again lied. Yes, I can cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He took me to his room over the sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. I accompanied him. He took me to his house, to his room, which was situated over a sweet shop. And when we reached there, he told me I could sleep on the balcony. He suggested me to sleep in the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible. But I'm sure the meal which I prepared, which I cooked that night, must have been terrible. It must be terrible in taste. Why? Because Anil gave it to a stray dog. Because अनिल ने completely जो मील और जो खाना प्रिपेयर किया था उसको थ्रो कर दिया स्ट्रे डॉग के सामने and told me to be off and asked me to go. But I just clung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. He allowed me to go, but I just hung around. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, but I continuously moved here and there around him with a smiling face, and he couldn't help laughing. And my smiling couldn't help laughing कि उसको हंसाए बिना नहीं रह सकती थी. Later he patted me on the head and said, later on, after some times, he came to me and he patted my head and said, never mind, don't worry, mat pareshan ho. He would teach me to cook. He would teach me how to prepare, how to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said, उसने मुझे अपना नाम भी लिखना सिखाया, and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences, and he promised that later on he would soon teach me to write the whole sentences, कि वो मुझे अब complete sentences लिखना सिखाएगा, and to add numbers, simple calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplications. I was grateful. I was very thankful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man. I was very grateful to him for him. Why? Because I knew the importance of the education, and I knew the importance of education, and once I could write like an educated man, and if I get success to be an educated man, then there would be no limits to what I could achieve. Then there would be no limits to achieve the things. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I was enjoying to work for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my times buying the day's supplies. I was enjoying my job. I was happy to do work for him, and I made tea in the morning. I prepared tea in the morning for him, and then would take my time buying the day's supply. Then I take my own time buying the daily supplies, daily grocery, usually making a profit about ₹1 a day. And during the shopping or during the purchasing, I usually made a profit of about ₹1 per day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. I think that he knew everything, that I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. But he never minded. He was not angry with me for that. Thank you. This is all for today.